Hey everybody, it's Bree and I'm back. So today I directed a photo shoot and it's a photo shoot for the salon at which I work. So everybody's got their hair done and they are looking gorgeous, and it's my turn. So I did these really big curls so that I could do my own self-portraiture, and I'm gonna take the rollers down now. These curls, they better be fabulous, that's all I'm saying. And I may have gotten them a little wet when I was in the shower, but I think that they're still gonna be okay. Call it. All right, so here goes nothing.